Here's how the cart abandon feature on FlexiFunnel works. Suppose your hot prospect is on your website on your sales page, which was made using FlexiFunnels, and after checking out the page, he or she proceeds to go on the checkout page. Alright. Once he's on the checkout page, he fills in all the details that are required, just like that. And after that, he proceeds to make the payment. So the payment window is opened, and for some reason, he or she was not able to make the payment, and they proceed to close the tab. So it's been 30 minutes since I closed the tab and abandoned the cart on the checkout page. And as you can see, we have received an email with the subject line, "You forgot your cart," and followed by it is the product name. And as you'll open the email, as you can see, there's an entire email written out stating that they abandoned the cart and were not able to complete the purchase. And there is also a link redirecting them back to the same checkout page from which they abandoned. And all of these things are completely automatic inside FlexiFunnels. You don't have to do anything to set this up. It will be automatically applied to your checkout page. So whenever any hot prospect abandons your cart, they'll get this email after 30 minutes in their inbox, redirecting them back to the same checkout page to make the payment and complete the purchase.